Students, we have started with chapter number 5, that is organizing. Today we are taking the topic significance, or we can say importance of organizing. The first point here is specialization. Now, when we are performing organizing function, at that time bigger task is divided into smaller parts known as jobs, each performed by the specialized person. Thus organizing helps in achieving a specialization. Coming to the second one, clarity in working relationships. Now, when we are just performing organizing function, at that time there is a proper assigning of duties, proper reporting relationships from whom one has to take work and to whom he has to report. This will all lead to that of clarity in working relationships. Third one, effective administration, proper assigning of duties, proper division of work, proper giving of authority and responsibility to a right person leads to that of proper management in the organization, or we can say effective administration in the organization. Fourth one, adaptation to changes. Now, whenever an organization is internally organized in a proper manner, at that time, that organization is able to survive in an external environment with more adaptation to the changes. Next one, development of personnel. Now, every time when we are assigning duties, when we are giving authorities, at that time, a person performs that task again and again, which increases its creativity and efficiency. Thus, it leads to that of development of personnel. At the last one, expansion and growth. When we are organizing the things at the smaller level, at that time, we can able to think of more departments, more job positions, more levels, and more product variety in our organization, which lead to that of future growth and expansion. So today we have completed with the 6 points of organizing. First one, division of task into the smaller parts lead to that of specialization. Clarity in working relationships due to proper assigning of duties and proper reporting relationships as to from one whom he has to take orders and to whom he will be going to report. Effective administration is there because of that of proper assigning of duties and proper division of work. Next one can easily adapt to the external environment as it can easily proper assigning of duties, and all these things lead to that of proper adaptation to that of external environment. Development of personnel, it also leads to development of personnel because when a person performs the specialized task again and again, it just enhances the creativity and efficiency, leading to development of personnel. Next one, expansion and growth, that is when we are just managing or organizing at a smaller level. At that time we can think of more departments, more job positions, and more product varieties in our organization, leading to the future growth and organization. So here we have completed with significance of organizing. In the next video we are going to catch with the new topic. Thank you.